In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Joe Biden Snapchat filter. And this will work on Android devices and iOS devices. So all you need to do is open up a browser on your phone, and in this case I have Google Chrome open, and then you want to go ahead and tap on the link that I've left in the description. That's going to take you to this web page where they have the Joe Biden filter. And then you just want to go ahead and press the Open Snapchat button. And it's going to take you directly to Snapchat, and then you want to tap on unlock for 48 hours. And now you can see the Joe Biden filter is working, and you can go ahead and record a video or take a photo and then post it on your Snapchat, and also post it on Instagram and TikTok and other social medias. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.